Hello my dear students, hope that you all are safe and happy. Now we have started with lesson trigonometry, okay, and yesterday we completed 3 questions from exercise 6.1, okay. Now I am going to revise the identities that we have practiced yesterday. The first identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, then 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Another one, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And based on these 3 identities, yesterday we solved first 3 examples from exercise 6.1. Now let's proceed for 4th example from 6.1. 6.1, 4th example. If sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equal to 0, then find values of sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. Let me repeat the question. If sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equal to 0, then find the values of sec theta, cos theta, sin theta. So from this we will write given sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equal to 0, given. To find sec theta, cos theta, sin theta. Solution. Okay, now let's concentrate the given thing. Given thing is what? 5. Oh yeah, I am one correction here. 5 sec theta. It is 5 sec theta. In given also I will make correction, 5 sec theta. So in solution, 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equal to 0. Next step, therefore 5 sec theta is equal to 0 plus 12 cosec theta. We have shifted cosec theta to RHS. So we have changed sign. आपण त्या RHSला तो पार्ट घेतलेला आहे, त्यामुळे साइन चेंज झाली. मायनस कोसेक थिटाचं झालं प्लस कोसेक थिटा. अँड देअरफॉर 5 sec theta is equal to 0 plus any number, answer is same number. So 12 cosec theta. Therefore, now what I will do here, what is sec theta? Sec is 1 upon cos. So 5 multiplied by 1 upon cos theta is equal to 12 multiplied by cosec is what? 1 upon sin. नेक्स्ट स्टेपला मी काय करते लक्षात घ्या. हा साइन इकडे डिनॉमिनेटरमध्ये, तो इकडे न्यूमरेटरमध्ये येईल. म्हणून मी लिहिते साइन थिटा अपॉन कॉस थिटा. हा कॉस थिटा ॲज इट इज इक्वल टू 12 upon 5. And what is sin upon cos? Sin upon cos is tan. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 12 upon 5. Is equal to 12 upon 5. Okay. Now, from tan, now we know tan. From tan, we can calculate sec square theta and then sec theta by using identity. Now, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, 1 plus the value of tan theta is 12 upon 5. 12 upon 5 bracket square is equal to sec square theta. Now solve this. 1 upon 1 plus 144 upon 25 is equal to sec square theta. Therefore 25 plus 144 upon 25 is equal to sec square theta. Now here 25 plus 144 is 169. 169 upon 25 is equal to sec square theta. Taking square root on both the sides, we get sec theta is equal to 13 upon 5. Taking square root on both the sides, we get sec theta is equal to 13 upon 5. So we get sec theta. Okay. आता नेक्स्ट व्हॅल्यू त्यांनी काय काढायला सांगितली आहे आफ्टर sec theta? Cos theta. Now we know that cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Therefore cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta ची व्हॅल्यू आपण काय काढलेली आहे 13 upon 5. हा रेसिप्रोकल जाईल वर गेल्यावर. Therefore cos theta is equal to 5 upon 13. Okay. The next is what? The next asked is to find sin theta. Sin theta. Now, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We can use this identity to find the sin square theta. Okay? Or another method. Another method तुम्हाला कसं करता येईल? Tan theta माहिती आपल्याला 12 upon 5. मग sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 12 upon 5. Yeah, that is I think the closest way to find sin theta. Okay. So you can find this way or what you can do, sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 12 upon 5. Therefore sin theta is equal to 12 upon 5 multiplied by cos theta. हा cos theta तिकडे गेल्यावर multiply होणार. Therefore 12 upon 5 multiplied by cos theta is 5 upon 13. 5 cancel, so 12 upon 13. This is the easiest way. याने सुद्धा तुम्ही काढू शकता या फॉर्म्युलाने किंवा याने पण काढू शकता. ओके. अँड इन लास्ट राईट डाऊन द आन्सर्स. आन्सर्स लिहून काढायचे. sec theta 13 upon 5, cos theta 5 upon 13 and sin theta 12 upon 13.